Uh, this is second time I recording video. First video got scam. So first of all, we'll talk about web storages. Web storage, when we store user data when we don't have its login. Yeah, that's right. There are mainly three type of web storage: cookie, local storage, and session storage. Local storage has 10 MB space. Session storage has 5 MB space, and cookie has only 10 KB. Cookie can transfer with APIs to servers, because that's why that's important more. So what about local storage? And for accessing that local storage or session storage, dot set item, and to give two parameters which give the value and name. That's easy. For remove that, you have to give session storage or local storage dot remove item and give value name. That will remove that item from local storage or session storage. Yeah. And let's now talk about cookies. Cookies are very important. If you want to save cookie, we have to write document dot cookie is equal to, in double quotation, we have to give value and name and value. After that, we have to give expiry date, which means after some time it will expire automatically and delete automatically. For giving that, you have to give expire is equal to, in same parenthesis of value, and the expire is equal to, in capital we have to give num day, afterward date, afterward in capital month, afterward year, and afterward time and UTC. That will save a cookie. For deleting cookie, we have to give a past date, so it will be delete automatically. Now we have to talk about three functions which are the main for array proceduring. This one is map. Map will give output same array but after some work. Map. And now filter will filter the array, which will give array with some value, specific value we have given task. Reduce mean give one value, I think, like we have to operation of sum of the all number of array or something like that. That's all, nothing but that. Now we have about callback function. When we give in parameter we go function or in argument function, that's known as callback function. When we call function in function, that's known as callback function. Arrow function are the short form of main function. They are used mainly as expression or anonymous function. I'm good at advanced JavaScript, I just started up work, so I have to do something more extra. So let's talk about class. How to define class? We have to give class mirror in braces, constructor in braces. In parentheses, we have to give parameters for taking value from user, which are name, age, or something. And according to that, we have to give in braces this dot first parameter, this dot first name is equal to first parameter, this dot this is equal to second parameter. That's all. For assessing that, we have to give assign another one, which last Milan we have to let person 1, and afterward for giving his class to new Milan in parenthesis give 3 value according to Milan, according to person 1. That will create new object for class, new object for person 1. Yeah, that's okay. That's all. For inherit class, we have to give class and second class, and second class want parent class all element, so we have to give class 1 if suppose we have a name of class 1, extend parent. Okay, extend parent. In thumbnail, I think the photo. Yeah, that's okay. In Brazil, we have to give constructor and all parameters of parent first, afterwards child parameters. In braces, we have to give super and parameters of parent, afterward this dot child parameters. You know what? When we define object with new thing, new child, that will be inherit parent prototypes also, that known as inheritance. For inherited super method, we have to give super dot method name which will have inheritance super method or parent method. That's all. Public and private. When we want to public class or public method, we have to give parenthesis hashtag before that. That will private that class. And in upper to the constructor, we have to give hashtag parameter name is equal to blank. That's all. Mixing when we want to. That's the problem while we doing inheritance. It can only give parent, but what we have to introduce more in prototype. So we have to give object methods which we want to prototype in classes. So for that we have to do one thing. What today is so hilarious. I have to do my project well done. So what? Mixing. For mixing that object dot assign and class name dot prototype comma and object name, that will mix in the class defined as prototype inheritance. You know about it. When we declare for the carrier one prototype, we says have his method, and that prototype also have main prototype, which has some value like something prototype and object oriented programming. These are the modern shit. Modules are export and import, something easy for you guys. You also know about that. Destructuring easy sheet, template little OG sheet, 4 of easy sheet, spread of dot for array mainly. Rest of the same as spread of, but it will save the array of something. Default no. Second one that will know, but I have to work on my something basic math for DSC or what it is. Browser outlook model, chat time outlook, that you know all about it. I think this is for today guys. Let's talk about another video. I think my day is